Hey guys, what's up? My name is you. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be opening an eBay mystery box. That's my brother in the background. I've started filming this like 3 times because he's being super annoying. So yeah, let's go. So first we got a camera. Let's see if it works. Does it work? Does it work? Yeah, look at that. Look at that right there. It works. Does it have a memory card in it? No. We're watching America's Got Talent in the background. Ooh, so we got Madden 15, Madden NFL 2015. Cool. I'll play that. Oh, we got a mouse. Nice, a CPI wireless mouse. Cool. And we got an Apple Lightning headphone jack adapter. Okay, these, if you get these in a mystery box, these are never in there. I'm telling you, they're never. Whenever I've gotten mystery boxes and these boxes have been in there, there's never anything in them. I'm telling you. Well, there's like sometimes there's instructions, sometimes there's just absolutely nothing in them. Yep, just instructions. Is there like Apple stickers or something? No. Why did I think there was going to be Apple stickers? Yep, just instructions. Cool. And they're never there, so. Ooh, an iPod. Does it work? Oh, it's cracked. It's just cracked. Like right there. Is it dead? Does it even work? No. We'll see. An iPhone 5C, bro. Freaking cracked up. Does it work? Mother freaking disabled. Come on, really, man? I'll have to hook that up to my computer. Ooh, a computer charger. I wonder if there's a computer in the other mystery box, because there was on eBay. There was 2 mystery boxes together, and then one was big and one was small. I bought the small one because it was cheaper. So I'm wondering if there was a computer in that one. An Adorant Better Together USB adapter. That's funny. So next thing we got. Oh, fidget spinner. Captain America. Oh my god, another one. Anything else? No. Okay, I bought another mystery box. That one's coming tomorrow, so expect a video tomorrow. It's either here now or it's gonna be here tomorrow. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go check for the package, and then I'll make another video. Actually, I'll go check for it right now, and I'll see.
This is what we call engineering excellence, advancement in design and capability. We call this raising the bar. They call it the 2019 Motor Trend SUV of the Year.
Ready to have your mind blown?
So ready?
You as rich as Jay-Z?
Richer. The upside, baby PG-13.
Okay. There was a cover on it. I took that cover off, and I already got a sneak peek of what's inside, and it was already here. So, okay. I see the best stuff in here. Oh my god. It's super good. Okay. We got an iPhone 10 with a Walt Disney case on it. iPhone 10. iPhone 10 case. Oh my god, iPhone freaking 8. 2. Jesus. Freaking Rubik's Cube. iPod. A computer. One computer. Messed up phone charger. In here. Gum. Let me see if there's actually gum in here. Oh my god, there actually is. Okay. And then a new freaking computer. Look at these two.
Hey guys, we're going to Dave's to play video games.
Hang on.
We talked about this. We don't want you over there.
Their internet. It's cable.
Son,
But they can get internet with AT&T and they don't?
We just want what's best for you.
don't get mixed up with cable internet.
What?
AT&T Internet is rated #1 in customer satisfaction over cable. Switch to AT&T Internet. Get up to 100 megabits per second.
That's the load. See you guys in there from Peace.